If you're looking for a career change or simply want to add another source of income, becoming a notary loan signing agent in Maryland could be for you. Maryland has a population of over 6 million people, and there's constant demand in this profession. Whenever people are getting a mortgage or refinancing their property, there will be a need for signing agent to handle the loan documents. As a signing agent, you'll be responsible to walk through the set of loan documents with the borrower and witness them in signing the paperwork. If you're interested in starting your own business in Maryland, becoming a notary loan signing agent is definitely the way to go. Hi, this is Anna from Real Estate Career HQ. In this video, my colleague and I will go over the steps in how to become a notary loan signing agent in Maryland. Will, can you please go over the first few steps?
Of course, Anna. The first step is meeting the eligibility requirement. A loan signing notary must be at least 18 years old, living or working in Maryland, and have good character with integrity and abilities. The second step is completing the notary course and pass the exam. The course would cover topics such as the role and responsibilities of a Maryland notary public, notarization process, and being a remote notary. What are the notarial acts that you can perform? Misconduct, penalties involved, and ways to protect your notary practice against liability. The National Notary Association is the approved education provider. We just checked their website, and their fee is $59. After you complete the course and pass the exam, you should receive certificate of completion. This will be needed when applying for the notary commission.
Thanks, Will. The next step is to submit the notary commission application. The Maryland Secretary of State is the office that grants the notary commission to applicants and maintains records of all notaries public in Maryland. You need to fill out a notary commission application on the Maryland Secretary of State website. Most of the questions on the application are pretty straightforward. For example, it will ask for your name, business address, and background info. In one of the questions, it will ask you to select the legislative district. This is where the notary commission will be sent to, and it is determined by your home or work address. If you are unsure, you could find out at mdelec.net. Also, you need to upload a copy of your driver's license or a valid government-issued ID, certificates of education completion, and exam passing. There is a $9 application fee and a $2 convenience fee. They can be paid by a credit card. Make sure the name on the application will be the same as when you are notarizing documents. If you are unsure how to complete the online form, they have a demo which provides you step-by-step instruction. By the way, the online application is time-sensitive. It will log you out after 30 minutes of inactivity, and you'll need to enter all the info again. Since the Maryland Secretary of State needs to ensure you are a trustworthy person, as part of the application process, you must provide 3 references who could attest to your character. You need to include their name, gender, address, phone, and email. But keep in mind that they cannot be a family member or your employer, and residents of Maryland are preferable. Whenever you put down someone as a reference, just make sure that they are okay with it and expect to be contacted. If your application is approved, the Maryland Secretary of State office will issue the notary commission. They will forward it to the clerk of the circuit court in your county. The notary division will notify you through email, and the state senator may also mail you a postcard regarding it. You will need to visit the clerk's office to take the oath within 30 days. There will be a fee of $11 to the clerk. Some office may only accept cash, so make sure to bring the exact change. After you receive the notary commission certificate, you should review and make sure all the details are correct. For example, you should check the name on the certificate, county of residence, and commission dates.
Now it's the time to start your loan signing business. But before that, you need to get a few business supplies. First, you'll need to get a notary seal, also referred to as a stamping device. This helps you to include specific info in every document so you won't leave out any required details. You may purchase the notary seal from Office Supplies store. Also, its design must comply with the regulatory rules. The notary public's official stamp can be an ink stamp or embosser. It must include the words Notary Public, your name, the county which you are commissioned, and expiration date. We include the requirement details on our blog, so be sure to check it out after watching this clip. Another helpful business supply is the journal. As a notary public, the state law requires you to keep a fair register of all official acts. Maintaining a good record of your notary acts is an essential part of good business practice. It could serve as proof that you have taken reasonable steps to identify the signer of a document. For example, you are required to record the date and time of the notarial act, the name and address of the person involved, a description of the record, and whether any fee is charged. More details can be found in the Notary Public Handbook. Also, you should consider using a permanently bound journal, because their pages are less likely to be removed or lost. Once again, you may find it at stationery, office supply stores, or through notary associations. For both a seal and journal, make sure you keep them in a locked and secured area where only you have direct access to it. The last step is to obtain a title insurance producer license. This is required if you would like to become a loan signing notary in Maryland. This would add another layer of protection for consumers against improper conduct and negligence. To obtain such license, you need to complete the pre-licensing education, pass an exam, submit the application, and pay the registration fee. More details can be found on the Maryland Insurance Administration website.
Thank you so much, Will. So here are the steps to become a notary loan signing agent in Maryland. But are you still unsure how to get started? Don't worry. You can hop onto our blog, realestatecareerhq.com. In there, you can find all the details to start your loan signing business in Maryland. We also cover some of the most common questions about this profession. How to become a remote notary? How much money can you make? What are some resources to know about the notary laws? Once again, this is Anna from Real Estate Career HQ. I wish you all the best in the loan signing career in Maryland. I'll see you at our site.